Hello guys, Yansky TV here. So I'll just give you a quick tour guide. This is 88 Hot Spring in Makiling, located in Calamba, Laguna. I just want you to see a little ambience of the resort. It's a hot spring, so this is the Makiling side, the Mount Makiling, where they say Filipino lore that it's a maiden mountain. So check it out. These are the cottages. These are the swing cottages, and okay, I'll give you a little tour. This is where the mini bar where you can order some snacks. It is also located where you can ask the Wi-Fi password if you want to connect. And this is a little walkway. So there in front, the restroom. And I'll focus here from the Makiling side first. Beyond there, if you go straight there from the cottages, as you can see, you can order Filipino food. And there is also a bar there, usually open by 6 p.m. onwards. So my personal experience is the place is very relaxing, although now it's not very sunny, which is favorable also, not very hot, and it's not raining. Perfect timing for relaxation. As you can see, it's full of green. The spaces are vast. You can relax, you can think, you can bring your family, girlfriend, whosoever you want. I think they will enjoy here. It's a great place for everybody. And let me show you the quick look of the pool. So these are the swing cottages, and some visitors. This is the mini bar. Okay, this is the pool side. So just check it out. Okay, look at their chairs, very stylish. This is where you can dine, you can relax. You can relax here after you go swimming there. These are the pool there. So this is the overview for now, a short vlog. Once again, 88 Hot Spring, located in Calamba, Laguna. Yansky TV here. Check it out.